What if the YouTube channel you've always dreamed about could finally become real, without you ever recording a single video? No filming, no editing, no confusing SEO, no tech skills you don't have. You don't do the hard work anymore. Your AI agent does it all, for you. Meet TubeClaw AI. You simply tell your AI agent what you want, and it researches, creates, optimizes, publishes, and grows your channel for you. Let's see it for yourself. This is your TubeClaw AI dashboard, the command center for your entire YouTube journey. From this one screen, your AI agent can research content, create videos, optimize them for growth, and manage everything, all in one place. No juggling 10 different tools, no overwhelm, just you, one command bar, and an agent ready to work. Now watch what happens when we give TubeClaw a command. You just type what you want and click Run Command. And instantly, TubeClaw gets to work, researching, creating, and transforming your simple idea into a ready-to-use video. No complicated tools, no manual work, just results. And just like that, your video is done.
But what if the power came to you and made you unstoppable?
The future of flagship smartphones is here. The Galaxy S23 Ultra.
In fact, it can create multiple videos from a single idea, so you'll never run out of content or stare at a blank screen again. But creating content is only half the dream. Let's take it further. With a single command, TubeClaw publishes your video straight to your YouTube channel. No downloads, no manual uploads, no switching between tools. You tell TubeClaw what you want, and it's done. And here's where it gets exciting. You don't even need to be sitting at your computer. Just connect your Telegram or use our own private TubeClaw app. Now you can create videos, publish content, and manage your channels right from your phone, sitting on your couch, waiting in line, or out with your family. One command, one AI agent, total control right in your pocket. Because when your entire content business fits in your hand, your growth can happen anywhere life takes you. And TubeClaw isn't limited to command-based creation. You get more than one way to bring your ideas to life. First, the built-in video editor. Start from scratch and build exactly what you imagine. Add avatars, media, and text. Customize every scene and create professional videos your way. Or let AI do most of the work for you. With AI avatar videos, TubeClaw writes the script, creates a realistic AI presenter, and turns your idea into an engaging video in minutes. No recording, no camera, no hiring expensive talent. Just pick an avatar, choose a voice, and generate.
If you want to lose weight, don't rely only on dieting. Exercise for at least 30 minutes every day. Eat and stay consistent.
Looking for the perfect sound? These wireless headphones deliver rich bass, clear audio, and all-day comfort.
I've learned that people forget what you said, forget what you did, but they'll never forget how you made them.
Hi there, this is the ultimate desktop setup. Clean, powerful, and ready for anything.
Need something even faster? Choose from hundreds of ready-made templates. Pick one, edit the content, match it to your brand, and turn it into a polished video in minutes. Perfect for YouTube Shorts, social media, promotions, and faceless videos. Full control, AI-powered creation, or ready-made templates, TubeClaw gives you every tool to create content at scale. Now let's move to one of the most powerful parts of the platform, YouTube growth. This is where TubeClaw helps you analyze, optimize, and grow your channel faster. Start with Analyze. Just paste any YouTube video URL or connect your channel and click Analyze. That's it. TubeClaw scans your entire video, your title, description, tags, content structure, and the hidden signals that decide whether you get seen or stay invisible. Your biggest YouTube growth opportunities are hiding in plain sight. Within seconds, you get a complete breakdown of your video's performance, AI visibility score, answer engine score, generative search score, content readiness score. And as you can see, most start out low to average, which means this video is quietly missing chances to rank, get discovered, and grow. Low scores equals lost views, lost reach, and lost opportunities. But it doesn't stop at showing you the problem. The Issues Found section reveals exactly what's holding your video back. Then Opportunities to Improve shows you precisely what to change to climb higher. You also get Thumbnail Analytics, showing how to make your thumbnail pull more clicks. A better YouTube thumbnail can mean more clicks without creating new content. AI Query Keyword Insights help you discover what people are truly searching for. And a full analysis summary lets you download a professional report in one click. But here's the best part. You don't have to fix any of it by hand. Just click Optimize. And just like that, TubeClaw generates optimized titles, improved descriptions, AI-friendly tags, a stronger thumbnail strategy, and content improvements built to get you discovered. Look at that. Your AEO score jumps significantly. Higher AEO scores equals more chances to be discovered by AI platforms. You also get quick recommendations, clear next steps to keep improving. And when you're ready to share, download the fully optimized report with a single click. Stop guessing, start growing. No guesswork, no complicated SEO. Just data-driven improvements that finally get your content the attention it deserves. Now, let's look at AI queries. This helps you discover exactly what people are asking AI platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Grok. Just enter any keyword or topic. Instantly, TubeClaw shows you the real questions people are actively asking. Not random guesses, but proven demand you can build content around. You'll see every related AI query, organized and ready to use. Plus query insights revealing the top categories and search patterns, and popular intent showing what users really want. How-to content, problem-solving, comparisons, or strategies. You also see top AI sources, so you know where these queries come from. And TubeClaw shows you exactly how to use them. For video ideas, content planning, titles and descriptions, FAQ sections, and higher AI visibility. So instead of guessing what to make next, you create videos people are already searching for and stay one step ahead of your competition. Now let's look at Competitor Spy. This lets you analyze any competitor's YouTube channel and uncover exactly what's working for them. Just enter their channel or video, and TubeClaw does the research for you. Instantly see their visibility score, estimated AI traffic, top-performing videos, engagement, ranking keywords, and the topics pulling the most attention. You'll even see where they're mentioned across ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Grok. But the most valuable part? Competitor Spy reveals content gaps, the opportunities your competitors haven't captured yet. Videos, topics, and searches you can claim before anyone else does. Don't guess what works, see what's already working. Instead of spending months testing, you learn from channels already winning and use that to grow faster. But maybe you don't even have a YouTube channel yet. So you might be wondering, how does TubeClaw help me? The answer is simple. TubeClaw isn't just a YouTube growth tool, it's a business opportunity. Using the Analyze feature, generate a professional report and send it straight to them. You simply reach out. Your videos are missing key chances to grow. I found several issues limiting your visibility, and I can help. Creators and businesses pay good money for this. Many charge hundreds per client for optimization and consulting. Now imagine helping just a few clients each month. The numbers add up fast. And the best part? Turn YouTube growth into a real business. And we're just getting started. Let's look at Lead Finder. Just enter a lead type, choose a location, and click Search. TubeClaw instantly finds businesses with their emails, phone numbers, websites, and contact details. No manual searching, no wasting hours hunting for clients. Find clients in minutes. Whether you offer YouTube growth, AI visibility, or marketing services, Lead Finder hands you businesses ready to be contacted. Reach out, offer your service, and turn leads into paying clients. More leads, more clients, more revenue. And if you'd rather find creators than businesses, TubeClaw includes Channel Finder. Just enter any keyword, and TubeClaw finds YouTube channels in that niche, with subscriber counts, video counts, total views, and channel details. Perfect for finding creators who need help growing. Find channels, find opportunities. You can analyze their videos, generate optimization reports, spot growth opportunities, and reach out with solutions. Whether you're building an agency or finding clients, Channel Finder connects you with creators already active and growing. More channels equals more client opportunities. Next, let's look at trend analysis. Until now, you've had pure YouTube power, but we wanted you to achieve even more with TubeClaw. So for this special launch period, we've left no stone unturned and added Instagram automation and Facebook automation too. Just enter any keyword and click Search. TubeClaw instantly finds trending reels, popular hashtags, captions, and high-performing content in your niche. See what's working. Copy the tags, use the ideas, and create content around proven trends. Don't chase trends. Find them first. Next, let's look at automation. TubeClaw supports Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube automation, helping you publish content and engage your audience without doing it all by hand. Create once, automate everywhere. For YouTube, start with Auto Post. Upload your video, fill in the details, schedule it, review, and TubeClaw publishes it for you. No manual uploads, no missed schedules.
Your health is your greatest asset, and protecting it should be simple.
Next is Auto Reply. Choose your target video, set trigger keywords, write your reply, set the duration, and save. TubeClaw responds to comments for you. And finally, Auto Comment. Select your videos, enter your comment, click Save, and TubeClaw handles the engagement for you. Post, reply, engage, without the manual grind. Next, let's look at AI agents. TubeClaw comes with specialized AI agents for YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and overall content growth. Need content ideas? Use the Content Idea Agent. Need viral hooks, scripts, trends, or hashtags? There's an agent for that too. Just chat with an agent, tell it what you need, and get instant recommendations to help you create better and grow faster. Your personal AI team, available 24/7. Finally, let's look at the agency section, built for freelancers, agencies, and service providers. Manage clients, manage teams, white label, done-for-you client proposals. Use ready-made Fiverr, Freelancer, and Upwork profile templates. Create professional invoices in minutes, and collect client feedback and video approvals with built-in forms. But one of the most powerful features is white label. Just upload your logo, add your branding, and TubeClaw instantly becomes your own platform. Your brand, your business, your platform. Everything you need to run and scale a professional AI-powered agency from one place. And that's your complete TubeClaw AI tour. One platform, one AI agent, endless opportunities. Welcome to the future, where innovation meets imagination. Welcome to TubeClaw AI.